So I'm about to talk some business with this entertainment complex here, and huge spot, does about 2,500 people. I was going over my notes. I had a couple of things that I just wanted to quickly share before I go inside. And this is really for big venues. So if you have, at least 500 people or more, this is really for you. Obviously, if you're a smaller spot, mom and pop joint, this could work for you too. This really works for anybody, but I'm talking big venues, because that's what I'm about to walk into right now, is a big venue. So, and I don't know why a lot of businesses are missing this, even marketing professionals are missing this. Birthdays, man. Birthdays. You've seen, if you follow me at all, you've seen a few of my videos talk about birthdays. And when I tell you that birthdays is the number one way to fill any venue, I don't care if it's a restaurant, a bar, whatever it is, birthdays. And the main reason being is because in most cases, when people celebrate their birthday, they have a little money to spend, right? And they also have friends that want to hang out, and they have a little bit of money to spend. And so it's always the perfect time to do birthdays. And the fun thing is, it's always somebody's birthday. There's a saying that says a broke clock is right twice a day. And so basically you have ample chances to win with just focusing on birthdays, even if you don't have any money to spend, like, budgeting wise. If you're running ads for birthdays, that would be even better. If you have an offer for birthdays, even better. Like if you're, a restaurant or something, if you can offer a free dessert, champagne. If you're a club, a bottle, a house, a champagne bottle, just something free to offer to get people in the door. Running ads for birthdays, easy win, easy success. So, it's amazing sometimes that as I look at a venue of this size that can hold 2,500 people and they're not doing birthdays, right? And so this is one of the things that we're proposing that they start doing right away. It'll instantly grow their business. You'll instantly see more people coming through the door. You'll see more reservations. And this is your ad money being well spent. I'll give you another side note too before I go in. With birthdays, you can do it, like I said, it's someone's birthday every day. So you could do zodiac seasons. Do the signs, do the seasons. So, because sometimes someone's birthday may be like on a day that they necessarily can't come to your venue or your restaurant or bar. And so if you make it a season, gives them the opportunity, to be able to make it to your venue at some point during that, birthday celebration time. So, you could use that to your advantage, and you can also use themes to your advantage. If you're seeing any of my recent videos, I'm talking a lot more about themes, about niche concepts. These work very well, so it could be like an Arabian Nights type of theme. It could be like, Christmas in July birthday theme. It could be any type of, theme with a birthday to it. You know what I mean? And so I've seen this work very well when it comes to doing birthdays, a variety of ways to be successful using birthdays. And so, yeah, if you're a big venue and you're looking for ways to grow your business, to get more people in the door, I can help you with that. My name is James Marquez. You can reach out to me at james@legacybusinessinc.com, or just check out the website as well. And I look forward to hearing from you and praying much success to you.